Hey folks, today I'm super excited to dive into something that's revolutionizing the electric vehicle industry, Power One's game-changing battery tech. If you're an EV manufacturer, stick around, you don't want to miss this. Let's start with the basics. You know how traditional lithium-ion batteries can be a bit of a headache? Costly replacements, inefficiencies and environmental concerns, they just don't cut it anymore. Well, Power One has cracked the code with two groundbreaking technologies, repairable lithium-ion batteries and smart battery management software. First up, the repairable batteries. These aren't your ordinary batteries, they're designed to be fixed, not ditched. Imagine the savings on replacements alone, plus repairing rather than replacing is a massive win for sustainability. Less waste, fewer raw materials used, it's a no-brainer for the planet. Now let's talk about the smart battery management software. This is where things get really interesting. This software manages the energy flow, charging cycles and temperature of the battery arrays. Not only does this make the batteries super efficient, but it also significantly extends their lifespan. Think about it, fewer breakdowns, less downtime and a longer life for each battery. That's a major cost saver for you, the manufacturer. Here are the 3 killer benefits for EV manufacturers. First, enhanced battery performance and longevity. Our software ensures that each battery operates within its ideal parameters, maximizing efficiency and extending life. Second, cost savings on maintenance and repairs. By preventing battery degradation and failures through smart monitoring, you can cut down significantly on post-sale service costs and warranty claims. And third, a competitive edge through advanced technology. Integrated smart management technology sets your brand apart, appealing to environmentally conscious and tech-savvy customers. But wait, there's more. Power One also offers superconducting electrolyte technology. What's that? It's a fancy way of saying we've made the transmission speed of lithium ions in liquid superfast. And you know what that means? Ultra-fast charging capabilities. Imagine EV batteries that charge in a fraction of the time. That's a game changer for consumers always on the go. Let's break down the benefits of this tech. Firstly, ultra-fast charging capabilities. Faster charging times meet consumer demands for convenience, making your EVs more appealing. Secondly, improved energy efficiency. Enhanced ion transmission reduces energy losses during charging, which means better battery performance and longer range per charge. And lastly, market differentiation and customer appeal. Incorporating this cutting-edge tech helps you stand out in a crowded market, attracting a larger share of the growing EV industry. So, there you have it. Power One's repairable batteries and smart battery management software, combined with superconducting electrolyte technology, are set to redefine the EV battery landscape. If you're an EV manufacturer looking to stay ahead of the curve, it's time to get on board with Power One. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit that subscribe button for more updates on the latest tech innovations. Catch you next time.